Thinking of investing in Jungle Scout? This is the moment to act. There's a verified Jungle Scout coupon code that gives you up to 44% off their top plans, and it's only accessible through the exclusive partner link in the description. If you go directly to the Jungle Scout homepage, you'll miss out on this offer. Jungle Scout is the all-in-one platform trusted by over 1 million sellers and brand owners. It's built for people who are serious about launching, scaling, and optimizing Amazon businesses using real data, not guesswork. The starter plan is the perfect entry-level option. Instead of paying $49 per month, you'll only pay $29. It includes the Chrome extension to find profitable products while browsing Amazon, the product tracker to analyze demand trends over time, and the supplier database to identify manufacturers with a proven shipping history. Want more advanced insights? The Growth Accelerator plan is now just $39 per month, down from $69. It unlocks Keyword Scout for deep keyword research, review automation to streamline customer feedback requests, and Listing Builder to optimize your product pages so they rank higher and convert better. Running a full brand or overseeing multiple products? Then the Brand Owner Plus Competitive Intelligence Plan at $129 per month is for you. It includes everything in the lower tiers and adds powerful tools like ASIN level tracking, market share reports, competitive benchmarks, and advertising insights. It's like having a full analytics team in your back pocket. All plans include a 7-day money-back guarantee. That means you can test everything risk-free and decide what fits your business model best. Even better, the description below links to a full tutorial showing how to set up your account, configure the tools, and use Jungle Scout from day one. It's designed to make your transition smooth and save you hours of trial and error. This is more than just a discount. It's a shortcut to better decisions, fewer sourcing mistakes, and faster product launches. Jungle Scout uses real Amazon sales data, not estimates, so you're never left guessing if a product is viable or a keyword is worth targeting. Again, click the link below or scan the QR code on your screen. This deal is only available for a limited time and only through this partner link. Once it's gone, you'll be back to full price and full risk.